Okay, now currently my computer has having trouble sleeping. Going into sleep mode. So there's obviously some issues. The auto sleep mode is not working well, and sometimes is waking up automatically. So I have to find out what the reason is. So to do that, first we will check is any driver is using. Okay, two, sorry. Okay, first we will see the driver power request. Okay, to check that we will type in command mode is power config dash hyphen request. So then press enter. So basically our display is not sending any power request. It's all okay in there, but still there is some problem. So we're going to check the energy request. To do that, this is the command. What it will do, it will trace the power input and output for your computer for about 60 seconds. Then it will observe the behavior and it will generate a report. So I'm going to pause it for the 60 seconds, then let it generate the report. Okay, so you can see there it. Okay, I'm sorry for the contrast ratio. Okay, you can see it found 3 errors, 8 warnings, and 51 what does it call? Sorry, informational. 51 informational, that means tips. So there is a report generated in this directory, which is C Windows System 32, and there is a folder. I will show you. You will go to your desktop, then local disk C. Okay. Okay. Local disk C, then Windows, then it will be okay. System 32, and there is a file called energy report, which will be basically E. So we will just press the E, and we will see there. Where is it? It should be an HTML file. Yes, there it is, an HTML report. So okay, this is the report. God damn it. So this is the report. Okay, we have errors. Okay, and see, that was my let me show you my previous report. I just changed one simple thing and the error is significantly lower. Okay, see, that was my previous errors. There are about, I think, 7 of them. There is a power policy media processor. There is 7 problem. Then what I did, I just basically first I just changed the sleep setting to, it was what does it call, it was okay, it was set on high performance. Then I changed it to balanced. Then the error down to 3 from 7. So right now we have some USB composite and okay, the PCI Express, and there is still some warning. Okay, to fix this problem we have to do some tweak in the BIOS setting. So I know it's complicated, but still, if you want to, it will help your computer for the long run, right? For your power supply, for your motherboard, even for your processor. Because right now it always using 100% of its maximum power, so it's really not good. Then after changing the power supply settings, sleep settings, it down to 2 errors. Okay, now I really need to change this setting. So we will boot the computer into BIOS. Just okay, sorry, zoom. I have to zoom it out like this. Yeah. Okay, we'll boot into BIOS. Restart. Okay, I have to reduce the contrast. Okay, so this is what multi-core enhancement. We have to there's prayers. Let me get back to you after some